The Ministry of Health is to redevelop its screening methods for mothers. Chairman of the Mental Health and Homelessness Task Force, Dr. Earl Wright, says this is to counter the high incidence of depression mothers face just before and after giving birth. TVJ Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's Health Report.
The health report: perinatal depression is a type of depression that a mother can experience during pregnancy and after the birth of the baby. Chairman of the Mental Health and Homelessness Task Force, Dr. Earl Wright, says 1 out of every 5 women will experience the depression during pregnancy. A further 30% will show signs after giving birth.
Whenever there is a fluctuation in hormones, women tend to become more depressed. The rate of suicide, rate of depression worldwide is twice as often seen in women than in men. And this is because of the hormonal fluctuation that you have in women. Therefore, you are going to have an increased depression in women around the perinatal period after birth.
There is no single cause of perinatal depression. However, lack of sleep, not having enough emotional or social support, and a previous depression, particularly during pregnancy, can contribute to the problem. This is why screening for depression during pregnancy is critical. Dr. Wright says perinatal depression can have serious health risks both for mother and baby.
When a mother is depressed, the brain of the infant doesn't develop as well as it should. The bonding with that infant doesn't take place as it should. And there is a high proportion of individuals, because of the lack of attachment, that will go on to develop what we call personality disorders. And it is this personality disorder problem that causes a high incidence of violence in the community.
Dr. Wright says the Ministry of Health has reintroduced to help detect and treat the depression in its early stages.
And the treatment is medication, managing the stress, and exercise. And many people will not need medication because many people can be treated with talk therapy and exercise. Exercise is always important. If you exercise for half an hour every day, then your incidence of depression will decrease.
With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.